Learn to solve problem 151's geometric challenge using GeoGebra's 3D modeling tools.
In my book, Learning Isn't Linear, into GeoGebra 3D calculator. So we want to make a cube with side length 1. So we want to go to Tools and then click on the cube icon. And we want to make a cube that's centered at the origin but above the XY plane. Of course, we can change the color and the opacity of the cube. Alright, so we have our cube, and we know the radius of each sphere. So now all we need to do is find the coordinates of the center of each sphere in order to pack them into the cube in accordance with the configuration in the problem statement. Now, you might be thinking, is the center just minus 1/4, minus 1/4, half of this way and half of this way? Well, pause the video to try to implement that and see if that works. And then here is the equation of the yellow sphere. Alright, and then these equations here are the equation of the spheres for each of the red spheres. Pick the first one with 2 points, and then just plug in A and B into the slots, and then it'll graph the straight line in the XYZ space, and it'll actually also give you the length of that line. In this video, we won't go over the mathematics of finding the radius of each ball, as the solution to that can be found in my book, Learning Isn't Linear. But what we will go over is the construction and implementation of this geometric construction into GeoGebra 3D calculator. You'll find in my book, Learning Isn't Linear. So you see I've put a skewer along the main diagonal through these 3 spheres here, and this will help us solve the problem. I think this is going to be very helpful for you solving the problem and for teachers presenting this problem in the classroom.